Can you imagine that this it turns out to be the best thing you ever tasted in your whole life, okay? I'm not joking. I looked at it first, I thought it was looking a little bit sad and bad, but yes, this poo-poo becomes a beautiful thing. Going to use some ingredients to make the most delicious dessert you've tasted. It is so quick and easy and so delicious. Okay, so we're going to start off with the TimTams and we're going to crush them up. First we're going to put them in the package here. This is going to be absolutely fabulous. Right, so now we're just going to put them down. Take that little hammer that you wanted to use so many times, you wanted to smack someone, just smack those TimTams down. That's what you're going to do, crush them down. That's it.
A few moments later.
Mother! Son of a master, football.com. That's it, I've had it. Here we go. We're gonna melt the chocolate now. Melt it for about a minute now. See how that goes.
1 minute later.
My kids can't wait to taste this. I can hear them in the background laughing. Beautiful Nestle condensed milk. I know you guys must have done this when you were kids. I remember I used to do it. My sisters and I used to have our own little condensed milk with our names on it. It was so delicious. Makes amazing pudding, I promise you. Okay, now we're going to add it up to the biscuits here. Mix it all up together. No laughing, kids. I know you want it. You just got to wait a little bit now, okay? Everything you deserve on those cold nights. When you feel you need a sweet tooth, you've got a sweet tooth and you need something sweet. This is what you gotta have. Make sure you keep the stuff in stock. Somebody needs something sweet tonight. Let's have a competition. See how much you can really eat. I want to hear from you people how much you really ate, okay? I'm telling you now, this is going to be the best thing you ever tasted in your whole life. Please. And I promise you, when you finish this, you'll be surprised. Tastes like it's come alive in your palate. Yes, it is. Yum. Oh, that looks fantastical. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, no, that looks like a big bloody poop from a big oxtail, poopall.com, or a cow that has had a bit of a problem with his stomach tonight. It's had a bit of a problem. No. It does not look very enticing to me. It does not. It's looking very, very bad, actually. I'm actually surprised that I ate this now that I think about it. You see, there's the end coming now. It's not looking that bad anymore. Oh, goodness, golly goshness. Okay, now it's starting to look like a slab. You don't need Lindt chocolate. You've got 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐬 chocolate. Now, my daughter is the one that makes the desserts in the house. And she is the captain of her ship. This is what's left of it. You've scraped it all up. Now, is it your mouth that's going to lick that because you know you want it, eh? Oh. And we're opening our Bosch deep freeze. I was so privileged to get. That thing is going to get ready for us just now. Yes, baby.
20 minutes later.
Give me some. Oh, my word.